Genie Engage AI just launched, and it promises to revolutionize how businesses interact with their customers. In this review, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before you dive into this new AI software. Stick around till the end because I'm going to share my honest take on whether it's worth your time and money. First, if you're new to Genie Engage AI, let me tell you this. It's an all-in-one platform designed to streamline customer engagement using cutting-edge AI tools. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or even someone managing a larger team, Genie Engage AI can handle everything from customer service to personalized marketing campaigns. What makes it stand out? The software adapts to your business needs with a surprising level of automation and personalization. Now, if you're wondering if it's the right tool for you, let's dive deeper into what it can do. One of the standout features of Genie Engage AI is its customer interaction automation. Instead of manually handling hundreds of customer queries, this software allows you to automate responses through AI-powered chatbots. The chatbots are built to handle a variety of customer questions, from simple queries to more complex requests, freeing up your time for more high-level tasks. Plus, these bots learn from each interaction, continuously improving to provide better responses over time. Another big plus is its integration with major platforms. Genie Engage AI works seamlessly with your CRM, email marketing tools, and even social media channels. This means you can automate not just your customer support, but also your outreach, follow-ups, and even engagement across multiple platforms. The idea is to create a unified communication experience for both you and your customers. What sets Genie Engage AI apart from other tools is its personalized marketing capabilities. It doesn't just send generic messages to your customers. Based on their behavior and preferences, Genie Engage AI tailors communication to each individual, making your marketing efforts feel far more human and personal. This leads to higher engagement and ultimately better conversion rates. Another game-changing feature is the analytics dashboard. Genie Engage AI's insights go beyond simple tracking of open rates or click-through rates. It offers deep insights into customer behavior, engagement patterns, and even predictive analytics that help you adjust your marketing strategies. It's almost like having a data scientist on your team without the high cost. When it comes to pricing, Genie Engage AI is surprisingly affordable compared to similar tools on the market. They offer a free trial, so you can test all the features without any commitment. This is a huge advantage for those who want to see the software in action before committing to a subscription. But like any tool, there are some things to consider. The platform is still new, and there might be a learning curve as you get used to all the features. However, Genie Engage AI does offer excellent customer support to help you get started and optimize your use of the platform. So, is Genie Engage AI worth it? In my experience, it's an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to automate their customer engagement and marketing. The fact that it's free to try makes it an easy decision for anyone looking to boost their business efficiency without upfront costs. Now, if you're looking for other AI software options, check out my recommended tools in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI software programs and I only recommend the best. Give Genie Engage AI a try through the link below and see for yourself how it can transform the way you engage with your customers. Thanks for watching.